Kumustahon ta ang usa sa mga ka sa bagong afternoon teleserye ang Babawiin ko ang lahat. Unsa kaha ang iyang papel niini? Let's hear it from Kapuso actor Manolo Pedrosa. Mayong buntag Manolo and welcome back here sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag, Miss Cecil. Thank you for having me.
Oo naman, kung pwede lang everyday we'll have you here sa program, Manolo.
Go lang, kung pwede lang.
Kumusta ka na? How have you been?
I'm good po, very good. How about you po?
Eto, mabuti. The last time we had you here on the program, may quarantine pa, di ba? And we
Yes,
talked
about the quarantine, yes.
We talked about the books that you were reading
The
during
books,
the time. Ngayon ba, Manolo, you have new recommendations ba na pwedeng mai-recommend para sa mga viewers natin?
Actually, the one I'm reading right now, The Plague by Albert Camus. It's about it's about the bubonic plague. It was written in the 1940s, and it's a novel about the plague that hit a city, and yun nga, you could see it. Syempre in our current times, you could see the similarities of having the plague and the pandemic. Bubonic plague, it's very painful. You get mga swollen lymph nodes, and it's very painful, unlike sa this pandemic. And you could see how times are changing and how it is kumbaga less painful compared before.
And thank you for that book recommendation. Pero this year ba, ano pa yung mga ibang libro that you wish to read?
Recently, I've been focusing on fiction because yun nga, parang mas I prefer fiction before bed para it helps me relax, keep my mind off things and just experience a different world. And so what else can I recommend?
Yes, oo. Or you're planning to read this year?
Planning to read this year. I don't know. I mean, kahit ano na. Like, I just go to goodreads.com and then recommendations, and then I just find it, and then if I like the plot synopsis, I just get it. So kahit ano, I don't really plan on what's my next book. I just see what's good and get it.
Oo, go with the flow. And I envy you kasi you had the time to really go through the books that you have at home, di ba? And finally read them.
Yes.
So hopefully ako din.
Yes.
Eto, this time, Manolo. Oo nga, I know I should, right? This weekend. Gagawin ko talaga yan.
Yeah. Sabi mo
Oo, I will. I'll tag you kung ano talaga yung babasahin ko finally.
Sige. Accountability yan. Good.
Oh my gosh. I'll do it finally. And of course, Manolo, if you were to write a book about the first 2 months of your 2021, ano yung magiging title nito and why the title?
Nice question. Ano nga ba yung title? I would say going all in because I've been really focused on my goals. Like, I've been literally all in with my goals, and because out of the whole experience of 2020, all the pains and challenges and obstacles we went through, I think it's time for us to really focus on our growth, focus on our self-improvement.
And speaking about going all in this year, may bago kang afternoon teleserye, ang Babawiin ko ang lahat. How excited are you about this project?
I'm very, very excited because we started before the pandemic and it's cut short. I only had a few taping days, and then finally nagkaroon ng lock-in taping, and then now we finished it and now it's showing soon.
And you will be playing the character of Justin. So please describe Justin to us at bakit namin mamahalin si Justin.
Ay nako, Miss Cecil, mamahalin mo talaga yung character na si Justin because he is, first of all, he's the protector. Siya yung parang mediator, parang siya yung nag-ano ng he's always in the middle. Siya yung naghahanap ng mga solutions that looks in both sides, open-minded siya, and eto, napaka-loyal niya.
And ayan, kahit teaser pa lang ng Babawiin ko ang lahat. Grabe, you created this on-screen chemistry na agad with Pauline Mendoza playing Iris. Tell us, how was it working with Pauline Mendoza?
Solid kami ni Pauline ever before Babawiin ko lahat, and mas naging solid dahil sa lock-in taping because 1 month of being stuck with her, seeing her every day, working with her. So yeah, so it was a very fun experience.
And talking about your lock-in taping na halos isang buwan, how was it? May mga
Yes.
advantages ba if you do lock-in tapings ngayon compared to the previous way of doing tapings?
I like that question, Miss Cecil. You're leaning on the positive, very positive. What are the advantages? And I will answer that. Number one is the bonding. Number one, bonding talaga. Because yun nga, because of the lock-in, we're stuck with each other for 1 month, and because of the location we have is walang signal. So talagang we can't use our phones to kill time. It's really, 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 really important because the off-cam chemistry really translates to the on-cam chemistry, and it's beautiful. Parang sobrang sarap.
So please invite all our kapuso na abangan ito every afternoon.
Please abangan nyo po ang Babawiin ko lahat, and abangan nyo si Justin.
Oo naman, aabangan ka talaga namin, Manolo, and thank you so much for spending your time with us. It's always fun talking with you.
Thank you, Miss Cecil. Have fun to be here.